Hey, what's up guys? This is Team Hard Life Captain Alberto Zertuche. And I'm finally sitting back down again. Went outside to help the guys melt some lead. A lot of lead. I've been at it for, what time is it now? 3 o'clock. 3, 4, 5, about 5 hours of melting down lead. But I had a strange box come to me earlier. I didn't know what it was, so I kind of opened it, and I was like, you know what? I got to do an unboxing. So I cut it, and started trying to dig through it, and I found a spool of Suffix 832 50 pound. It's an 8 weaves, or an 8 carrier, 8 strand. So that means it's a solid braid. Got a reel. There we go. Got a JX63 2-speed. And there's a letter here, a return address for Adrian. And he wants me to do the 50-yard backing with red braid. Wants me to give him a call to find out what kind of, he might need some help. And then, got another reel here. Oh, a Speedmaster 12. There we go. That is very pretty. For future reference, guys, whenever you ship us the reel, take the reel harness and lugs off. Just because I know he put a lot of wrapping on it and stuff like that, but that's just extra parts that we have to worry about. And it doesn't seem like much, but when you got 15 reels on the counter and stuff, having to remove all of this, it's more work for us to do and to keep track of. So, padding. So, let's see.
Gotta bite. I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I got a line. I'ma call the whole team.
Alright. Let's give this gentleman a call and see what the dealio is. 867-5309. Did I get that right? Let's see. How you doing? This is Albright with Hard Life. I was calling for Adrian.
Yes, speaking. What's going on, Mike?
Not much. I just finished unboxing your reels right here, and you wanted 50 yards of backing and then top it with the 832 Suffix that you have sent.
Correct, yes. So I've seen the videos that you could put a solid 2 holocore braid on.
That is correct.
Awesome, yeah. So I'd like to do that if that's possible on that one. That's on a Shimano reel.
Okay.
And it should take 600 because he did mine on the Shimano set about 2 months back and just pulled the whole 600 yards on there.
Okay.
You had a little left on it.
All right.
So I'll do that. And with the Avets, so what I'm doing is I travel to Florida, I fish over there, I live here, and I do what they call the 4-key mackerel or Spanish mackerel. So we'll cast the weight on and then we'll do the zip line like kind of fish style fishing. That's what I'm doing.
Is the slide lining? Yes, sir.
Yep, exactly. That's exactly what I'm doing. Yep.
Okay.
So, I mean, what do you think? Just maybe 50 yards back in some color, red maybe, and the rest blue.
And the holocore?
Yes, correct. Holocore. Yep.
Okay. Alright.
I think that'll be it. And question for you, do you still use Corpus braid or use the Texas braid? Which one do you use behind them?
Okay, the tight line braid that's made in Texas, yes, I'm using that one. I still have Cortland in house, so it just all depends which color you wanted to go with. If you want to go with the darker blue, then that would be tight line. With the lighter blue, then that would be Cortland.
Okay, and which one do you prefer? What's your opinion on it?
Are you looking for line capacity?
Well, it's a small reel, so I think about 400 yards will go by under. Do you have any 50 pound or just 65?
Let me check for the blue. Give me a second.
Thank you.
No, it's pretty thin. You get some pretty good line capacity. But if you're looking for more, then we have 50, and it's a dark green, which is it's really nice. It's a really pretty green, but it's dark.
I go with
The blue?
Yeah, I think we should get about 400 yards out of it. Yeah.
And you still want the 50 yards of red underneath that, correct?
That is correct. Yes.
Okay.
Just so you know, God forbid if I can spool out, no, that's a little warning.
Okay, what was that?
I said if I get spooled, God forbid I get spooled out, I get a little bit of warning.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. And you're fishing in the area that it could happen, so.
Yeah, you never know. You never know, right?
Yes, sir. All right. Are we putting any kind of top shots on these, or is it all straight braid?
Just straight braid.
Okay.
So I put it through a pyramid sinker, like an 8 ounce or 10 ounce, and I cast it out there. So just that.
You're using these on slide line with the pyramid?
Yeah, that's how they fish them on. Yeah, they don't use the surf weights out there. It's weird. It's totally different fishing. You know, I'm watching your channels and you guys are doing it different.
Wow. How does it even stay in place?
It stays. It's weird.
That's crazy. Like ours, yeah, you throw a pyramid out there, as soon as you put the slide on, it'll start drooping the anchor line.
Right, yeah. It stays. That's why they use a little heavier, probably about 10 ounce on it. It works for me.
Yeah, no, I throw 10-ounce pyramids too, but I only throw those when I know I got little current or no current. But once I get into a good current, I have to throw a spider weight.
Well, that's good to know. Maybe I'll start doing that.
Yeah, no, even if you're throwing a pyramid and it's sticking pretty good, do you have it to where the anchor line droops when you try to slide your bait out further?
A little bit, yeah. So once in a while I have to readjust it. You know, just
Okay, well then, yeah, definitely. If you threw a surf weight, you wouldn't have any of that. You could put your bait further away from the pier, because the tighter you can keep the line in place, the further the bait can slide out.
Got you, yes, I got it. All right, yeah, I'm gonna start doing that. Okay, I'll try it out, right?
Yeah.
Thanks for the info. Appreciate it.
Maybe we'll send you one so you can give us a report of how well it works out there. And
Yeah. If I got a 10 ounce, yeah, I'll buy it. It's not a problem.
okay.
And also on the note, I'll put my return address is different, so instead of having it shipped over here to Illinois and shipping back to Florida, I just need to Florida address.
I got the paperwork right here.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
All right.
Well, let me get to spooling, and I would have started this morning, but I went to Melton Lead, so.
Okay. Wait, now.
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. All right, yeah. So when you get a chance, give me a call back and I'll get the situation. All right.
Sounds good, boss. You have a good one.
All right. You too. Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye. Well, let's get to this Speedmaster. I think we'll do this one first because we do have some J models in the spooling library. Yeah, it looks a little funny right there. You see the gap over here? But if you look over here on this back side, you hardly have any kind of gap. Like, it's super tight right there. Kind of hard to hold this. Okay. Yeah, you can see it on camera. Over here, how tight that is on the back side of the spool compared to the front side. I wonder if that's going to be a problem for him later. Yeah, that's crazy. Okay. There's put a little bit of glue, just a little bit underneath it and on top. And then I'm going to go ahead and tie my braid over it. I'm going to have to find the smallest braid I have. 20 pounds. I swore I had some like 15, but I guess I don't. Guess when my guys cleaned up, they got rid of the little spool. That ain't good. Alright. Now I'm going to do what they call a closeout, so I can trap the tag line in the knot. There we go. All I'm doing is just taking off any excess, and that's pretty. That's real pretty. I'm gonna have to do this the hard way. There's the knot right there too. Beautiful. Yep, tore that one up. Melted the spool. But I had to put pressure on it. Well, all I can do is show you the reel, guys, because I had to down spool it or unspool it by hand. So, and these Speedmasters have it offset to where the right side is bigger than the left side. So, there we go.